Okay, this is David Leach again, and now I'm going to talk about the drawing in contrast to the print. This one was about looking down, bird's eye view, kind of overview, looking at in a downward way at a map-like reference. This one has similar line characteristics, though slightly finer relationship between the marks. By that I mean not as contrasty as typically prints can be. A variety of media, colored pencil, ink wash, crayon, pencil, colored pencil as well, and a very, very fine gradation between the textures and the marks. Similar to this though, you go from a very opaque black to a washy kind of translucent black, and the same degree of separation in the pencil or crayon marks. But for me, the perspective on this one is a little bit more what I would call normal, not looking down, but looking into the space of the drawing. And by that I mean the architectural reference is a little bit stronger in this one than in the print. This is titled Studio. It obviously therefore refers to my own personal studio, which is a special kind of place. A lot of personal memories, a lot of contemplative considerations, action, movement, what you do as an artist. That's all kind of compressed into the notion of a studio space, a private space, but also from that private space, something that you share with other people. So I look at this as marking marks that lie in an architectural region of space, which is not a vast space, not a landscape in other words, but a controlled space with entry points either in the front or on the side, and even allusions to studio objects, tables, chairs, things like that. Hopefully you can see it, but in both cases, I think what matters to me, what matters about this art to me, is that it is a storytelling using other than language, other than words. Thanks for listening to my story.